I see newer players making these mistakes all the time. Are one of these hurting your game? Stay tuned. Hey all, my name is CJ Johnson, and together with my partner Tony Roig at betterpickleball.com, we are committed to helping you play your best pickleball. Players apply the same strategy for the return side. I'm the return side. My friend Mark has joined me up as the non-returner. Is they apply the same strategies to the return side as they do the serve side. So when I'm the returner, I'm going to return the serve that Terry's hitting me, and I want to run to the net as fast as I can to join my friend Mark, so we're in a good position for our fourth shot. So Terry, go ahead and hit me a serve. So I get up here, Mark and I are now ready for our fourth shot. So when I'm on the return side, I definitely want to hit and run. But you don't want to do the same thing on the serve side. So now Mark and I are on the serve side. I don't want to apply that same hit and run to the serve side, because here's what could happen. You do not want to run up blindly on the serve side. On the serve side, I need to watch my partner and see what type of shot Mark has hit before I run to the non-volley zone. So it's much better for me to stay back here on the serve side and work our way in more slowly versus run into a ball that's hit high and can be attacked like that last one was. Not only do I see new players make this mistake, I see players who've actually been around the game for quite a while make this mistake. They are the server, and after their serve, they step into the court. So it looks like this. They come in here and they come into the court after their serve. Now, the problem with that is the objective for the return team is to hit that ball deep. They want to keep that serve team back behind the baseline as far as they possibly can. So if they hit that ball deep and I have stepped into the court, I put myself in a very difficult position to hit that return. So instead, what you want to do is when you hit your return, you want to stay back behind the baseline and get ready for the third shot. Pickleball's a sport. You need to be ready for the next shot. And I hear players ask all the time, how do I get better reactions? The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're in a position to react quickly. I see a lot of players who stand with the paddle down here at their side, and they are very flat-footed. So now if a ball is to come at me and I am in this position, it's going to take time for me to get in an athletic position to move and to get the paddle to the correct position to hit the ball. Instead of being in this position here with my paddle down and flat-footed, I want to be flexed, ready to move, and I want to have my paddle out in front of me. That's going to help to improve my reaction time. Now I'm ready to move. There's no doubt, as a newer player, there is a lot to learn. Our advice to you is take one thing at a time. Now, if you'd like more new player videos, just click on the links over here, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.